Hello everybody listening in. This is WKIYLMAT, your talk show host, Matt, who everybody knows. So far, at least they should. Now tonight, our guest speaker is going to be one we've already had previously before. His name is Ricky. I'm going to kick out of him, we should get a kick out of him now. And here he is. Hello, Ricky.
Well, hello, it is, all I can say is, man, it is starting to be a really good pleasure to be on the radio for twice, you know what I'm saying?
Hello, is anybody there? This is Jigsaw. Jigsaw's the name. And everybody, I just hijacked Matt's radio show. It is no longer WKIYLMAT. Not anymore. This is Jigsaw. Now that we've got Matt out of the way, and that annoying Ricky, now everybody can hear what I